This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Models, and welcome to issue 100, final issue of Optimus Prime build from Fanhome. For sending me this kit, and I've really enjoyed the build of it. There's been a few stumbles along. We're on the final part, and it's all going to come together and look nice. So against the Destroyers, Maximals, and Terracons into the front. Okay. And the least likely, Bumblebee, Optimus. Oh, I assume he can talk again before he gets voted up as being the leader. I don't know. Trilogy Kingdom, War for Cybertron, Golden Disc. Don't know about that. Oh, it becomes a giant robot as well. That's the ship, isn't it? But cool. I've heard that. Nemesis Prime is again another reskin. It's just a bit cheap. So they're actual mammals that become robots. Quite animal-like and quite robotic. I do like that. They're all a bit nastier. Right, so what we're doing today is second sword. I don't know why we need two swords, but there we go. And we have an alternate head. And some spare rear view mirrors, which is handy because mine did break. Okay, so I might not bother with those. I might just keep them just in case they get broken worse. We'll see. We could have got basically a sword for each arm or a gun for each arm. The head, I think basically it seems to be just the front piece that's got a whole middle piece, but I don't think I'm going to worry about changing that. I'll have a look and see. In how to get the power up and running and how to stand him up. But so let's get the accessories finished and looked at, and then we'll see about the entire build. Today we've got a head interior, which I don't know. I don't know that there's any difference. That the attachment point might be different, but that will go on there instead of the. I like the finish of that mask. I don't like the exposed bit. The sort of fighting mask bit on it. But other than that, the same. So supplied an entire internal piece instead of indeed for opening them up. You pop the back open, pop the top off. I did do it a minute ago. Top comes off, and that will then swap over. But I don't know. I can't see any other difference between. So if I was worrying about changing that, I could just pop off the. Unless that's molded onto this one. I don't remember. I'm going to bother you about changing the head over. As he does. But it's nice to have an alternate if you need to change things up a little bit. I'll line that up on there now. I think it's got to look down over the front first. Anyway, I'll worry about that. What we have is our replacement wing mirrors. But I don't think I'm going to be changing those quite yet. We've got our sword to make up, which exactly like it did last time, I think. There we go. like that, and then in place. Just like that. And that is that one. I'm not certain why we need two of those. Again, the printing's on the same on both sides as far as I can tell. They seem to be identical. There's not a left. So, don't know. Maybe it's just so you could have him with two swords if you like. They are different. They are mirrored. So they are left. Hold that way, or hold that in the other arm that way. So I can understand why we need two. Surely he just has one. But there we go. That's that. So apart from that, that is the build finished. I shall up on the stand. Obviously, it won't fit on the bench, but I'll set him up on the stand and get on his own. But other than that, we are finished. So thank you very much for this build. Now, because I won't talk over him, over the bits of him around there. I hope you've enjoyed it. Do follow along on other part work builds that I've been doing, and indeed. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon for more. For looking at Optimus himself. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.